stop right there. Before you scroll away, answer me this. When was the last time someone interrupted you mid-sentence? When was the last time someone canceled on you like your time meant absolutely nothing? When was the last time someone made you the punchline of their joke and everyone laughed while you just sat there? Yeah, I see that look on your face. You remember? Now let me ask you something even more painful. Have you ever walked into a room and watched someone else command? Instant respect without saying a word. They don't yell, they don't fight, they don't even try. People just respect them automatically. Meanwhile, you're in the same room, breathing the same air, and somehow you're invisible. Somehow you're the one people talk over, the one they forget about, the one they disrespect. Here's what nobody's telling you. It's not about them. It's about you. You're doing something right now. In this moment, that's broadcasting to the entire world. You can disrespect me. I'll take it. And the worst part? You don't even know you're doing it. I know, because I was you. I was the guy everyone walked over. The one whose opinions didn't matter. The one who smiled through the pain while dying inside. Every single day. Then, I discovered something that changed everything. Not some fake confidence trick or just be yourself garbage. Something real. Something that works in the actual world with actual people. I discovered I was making one critical mistake. Just one. And the moment I stopped making it, everything flipped. Not in months. Not in weeks. In days. The same people who treated me like trash started treating me differently. The interruptions stopped. The last-minute cancellations stopped. The jokes at my expense stopped. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what that mistake was, plus 3 other deadly behaviors you need to stop right now if you want respect. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today, these aren't your typical self-help tips. This is the real playbook. The stuff that actually works when you're standing face to face with someone who thinks they can walk all over you. Stick with me for the next 10 minutes, because by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly why people disrespect you, and exactly how to make it stop. Let's go. Here's something most people don't understand. Disrespect doesn't happen randomly. Think about it. In the same room, same people, one person gets total respect while another gets completely ignored. Why? Because respect isn't given, it's earned. Through signals. You're broadcasting signals right now. Every conversation, every interaction, every text message you're sending out invisible signals that tell people exactly how to treat you. And right now, your signals are saying, I'm weak. You can disrespect me. I won't do anything about it. I know that hurts to hear, but it's the truth. And the truth is what sets you free. Here's the good news. You can change your signals starting today. Right now. This moment. You don't need to become a different person. You don't need to be loud or aggressive or mean. You just need to stop doing 4 specific things. 4 behaviors that are absolutely destroying your ability to command respect. I'm going to give these to you from easiest to hardest. From the simple move you can use today to the most powerful psychological shift that will change your entire life. But first, you need to understand this. When you stop these behaviors, people notice fast, not gradually, not slowly. Fast. Within days, you'll see the shift. Within weeks, you'll be a completely different person in their eyes. Within months, you won't even recognize your old self. I tested this on myself, on my friends, on complete strangers. It works every single time. So, let's break down these 4 deadly behaviors and how to stop them right now. Asterisk. Here's the pattern. Someone disrespects you. Your heart starts racing. Your face gets hot. You either blow up and defend yourself, or you swallow it and pretend it doesn't hurt. Both responses. They're killing your respect. When you react big, when you get defensive, when you explain, when you justify or showing them they got to you, you're giving them power, and people keep doing things that give them power. When you stay silent and take it, you're teaching them it's okay. You're giving them permission to do it again. So what do you do instead? When someone disrespects you, here's your move. You notice it. You look them dead in the eye, and you say one simple sentence. That was disrespectful. Then you stop talking. Complete silence. No explanation. No defense. No emotion. Just those 3 words, and cold, calm, quiet. Let me tell you what happens next. The entire room shifts. Because you didn't blow up. You didn't cry. You didn't take it. You just named what they did like you're reading facts from a textbook. That person, they don't know what to do. They start feeling uncomfortable. They start backing down. They apologize right there. Here's a real example from my life. I had a friend who constantly made fun of my job in front of others. Oh, here comes the burger, flipper type comments. Every time we hung out. And I'd laugh along, trying to be cool about it. Dying inside. Then I stopped. Next time he said it, I looked at him and said, "That's disrespectful." Nothing else. Didn't smile, didn't laugh. Just those 3 words. The whole group went silent. He apologized immediately. Never did it again? Ever? Why does this work? Because you're not playing their game. You're not getting emotional. You're not reacting. You're just calmly pointing out what they did, and that calm confidence is more powerful than any explosion could ever be. Your move today. Next time someone disrespects you, don't react. Just say that was disrespectful, or that's rude, or I don't appreciate that. Then stop talking. Watch their entire face change. They'll respect you instantly. Try it once. Just once. You'll be shocked at how fast it works. Asterisk this one completely. Changed my life, and it's going to change yours too. Here's the brutal truth. When you're always available, people stop valuing your time. They know they can reach you anytime, so your time feels worthless to them. Think about doctors. Why do they make you wait? Because their time is valuable. You wait for them. They don't wait for you, and you respect them because of it. Now think about someone who's always free, always answers texts in 30 seconds, always picks up the phone immediately, always says yes to everything. Do you respect their time? Probably not. Because they don't act like it's valuable. Here's what you need to do. When someone texts you, don't answer in 2 minutes every single time. Wait an hour, 2 hours, whatever feels right. Not to play games, but because you have a life that doesn't stop for everyone. When someone calls you, you don't have to pick up immediately. Call back when you're ready. When someone asks you to do something, you don't say yes right away. You say, "Let me check and I'll let you know." This sounds so simple, but it's absolutely massive. When you make people wait for you even, just a little, you teach them your time matters. And when people think your time matters, they stop wasting it. They stop disrespecting it. They start treating you like someone important. My personal transformation. I used to answer every message instantly. People would text me at 11 p.m. knowing I'd respond. They'd ask for favors, expecting an immediate yes. They treated my time like garbage because I acted like it was garbage. Then I changed. I started waiting before responding. Started saying, "I'll get back to you," instead of instant yes or no. Started acting like my time was actually valuable. The shift was insane. People started asking, "Do you have time?" Instead of just demanding it, they started saying, "Thanks for making time," instead of expecting it. They started respecting my schedule because I acted like it deserved respect. Here's the key insight. Your time is the most valuable thing you own. More valuable than money. More valuable than anything. When you act like it's valuable, people treat it like it's valuable. When you give it away for free to everyone, people treat it like trash. Stop being instantly available. Make people wait. Sometimes, not to be mean, but to show them your time matters. Because it does. Asterisk, this is where most people completely fail. They accept bad treatment because they're scared of conflict. Someone treats them badly, and they just ... take it. Why? Because saying something feels uncomfortable. Because they don't want to cause drama. Because they want to keep the peace. But here's what happens when you accept bad treatment. You get more of it because you taught that person it's okay. You showed them they can do it without consequences, so they keep doing it. Again and again and again. You need to stop accepting it the moment it happens. Not later. Not in your head. Right then. Friend cancels plans last minute. Again, don't say it's okay. Say, "This is the third time you've canceled." That's not okay. Coworker takes credit for your work. Call it out right there, actually. "Hi. Did that work?" Please give credit where it's due. Family member makes rude comments about your life. Shut it down. I don't like when you say things like that. Stop. Not aggressive. Not mean. Just clear and direct. Most people won't do this. They think it'll cause problems. But you know what causes more problems? Staying quiet and building resentment for months until you explode. Or staying quiet forever and hating yourself for being weak. Here's my story. I had a coworker who would dump his work on me every week. "Hey, can you just handle this real quick?" And I'd do it. Because I didn't want to seem difficult. Because I wanted to be the nice guy. This went on for months. I was drowning in his work while he took credit for everything. Finally, I stopped. He asked me to do his work again. I said, "No. That's your job. I'm not doing it." He pushed back. I held firm. Not doing it. He stopped asking. Started doing his own work. And here's the crazy part. He actually respected me more after that. People respect boundaries, even when they push against them at first. When you show someone you won't accept bad treatment, they either change how they treat you or they go away. Both outcomes are good. Stop being quiet when people treat you badly. Speak up right away. Keep it simple. Keep it calm. But say something every single time. Watch how fast people start treating you better. Asterisk, this is the most powerful one, and the hardest to do. Stop trying to prove you're worthy of respect. Stop defending your choices. Stop explaining why you deserve to be treated well. Just assume you already deserve it. Here's the pattern most people follow. Someone questions their idea. They launch into a 5-minute explanation of why they're right. Someone doubts them. They list every achievement they've ever had. Someone challenges them. They defend and justify and explain until they're exhausted. That's the signal. That's what tells people you don't believe you're enough. Because people who truly know they're enough, they never defend it. They just are. And everyone feels it. Watch truly confident people. When someone questions them, they don't defend. They just say, I'm comfortable with my decision, or I know what I'm doing. That's it. No explanation. No proof. It's quiet confidence. When someone tries to make them feel small, they don't list achievements. They just smile and keep moving. Because their worth isn't up for debate. This was my biggest problem. Anytime someone questioned me, I'd give them my whole life story. Actually, I've done this before, and here's why I know, and let me tell you about the time when, ... The more I explained, the less they believed me. Then I stopped. Someone questioned my idea at work. Old me would have defended it for 10 minutes. New me just said, I believe this is the right move. That's all. No proof. No explanation. And they went with it. Why? Because confidence is contagious. When you act like you deserve respect, people believe you. When you act like you need to earn it, people make you keep earning it forever. Your worth is not something you prove. It's something you own. You don't owe anyone an explanation for your choices. You don't owe anyone proof of your value. You just exist, and that's enough. Start acting like it. Next time someone questions you, don't explain yourself to death. Just say, I'm confident in this, or this works for me. Watch how fast people stop questioning you. Here's what nobody tells you. All 4 of these behaviors are about one big idea. Stopping the things that make you look weak. You're not adding new skills. You're not becoming someone else. You're just removing old habits that are destroying your natural power. Stop reacting big. Stop being instantly available. Stop accepting bad treatment. Stop proving yourself. Just stop. And what's left? Your real self. Your strong self. The version of you that naturally deserves respect. You already have everything. You're just covering it up with weak behaviors. Remove those, and respect shows up automatically. So here's your move right now. Pick one of these 4. Just one. Maybe it's calling out disrespect calmly. Maybe it's making people wait for you sometimes. Whatever feels easiest. Do it once today. Right now. Next time the situation comes up, catch yourself doing the old behavior and stop. Do the new one instead. See how it feels. Watch what happens. Then do it again tomorrow. And the next day. In 1 week, it'll feel natural. In 1 month, you'll be doing all 4 without thinking. And people will treat you completely different. I went from doormat to respected in 3 months using these exact moves. Not because I became someone else, but because I stopped doing things that made me look weak. Same person, different behaviors. You can do this. Starting today. Pick one. Move. Use it once. Watch people's faces change when you do. Then come back and tell me what happened. Because once you see how fast people start respecting you, you'll never go back to the old way. Stop waiting for permission to be respected. You already deserve it. Start acting like it. Right now.